Good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing your work in neat and clean handwriting and watching these videos also. So before we start, let's recall what we have done in the previous part. In the previous part of parts of plants, we have discussed there are two parts of plants. The first one is shoot and the second one is root. Shoot, the part which grows above the ground, and the root, that part which grows below the ground. And apart from this, we have also discussed there are how many kinds of roots. There are two kinds of. The first one is tap root and the second one is fibrous root. And yes, we have also discussed why the roots are important, because without roots a plant cannot survive. Without, why it cannot survive? Because if roots are not, if a plant is not having any root, how it can get water or salt which are helpful in growth of plant. So if it's not having roots, it will not able to survive. So now we are going to discuss the further parts of this chapter. So the next is stem. The stem grows above the ground. Stem क्या करती है? Grow करती है. कहाँ grow करती है? Above the ground. The stem of the neem tree. The picture showing here, the first picture is of neem tree. जो stem है neem tree की, that is hard, strong and woody. वो क्या है? Hard है, strong है, woody है. And that stem holds the plant straight and upright, or we can say this stem keeps the tree upright. वो ट्री को क्या रखती है? सीधा रखती है, सीधा ग्रो करने में हेल्प करती है. Such a stem is called trunk. जो ऐसी स्टेम होती है, just like strong and woody stem and that hold the plant straight and upright, that stem is called trunk. उन स्टेम को क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रंक बोलते हैं. Like here in this second picture, that is banana tree. Banana has a green, thick and soft stem. Banana की क्या है? Green है stem और thick है, और वो क्या है? Soft है. And one more thing, Ashoka and banyan tree, they are just like the neem tree. They are having strong and thick trunk. उनकी trunk क्या होती है? Strong and thick होती है. And not all the stems are having, not all the plants are having thick stem. सभी के सभी plants की stem क्या होती है? thick नहीं होती है. Just like the stem of money plant. मनी प्लांट देखा है आप सबने? मनी प्लांट की स्टेम क्या होती है? ग्रीन होती है, वीक होती है, और क्या होती है? सॉफ्ट होती है. वो काफ़ी, वो अपने आप जो है सीधा ग्रो नहीं कर सकता. इट नीड्स सपोर्ट टू स्टे अपराइट. उसे क्या चाहिए होता है? मनी प्लांट को सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है ताकि वो सीधा ग्रो कर सके. ओके, नाउ द स्टेम कैरीज फूड एंड वाटर टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. स्टेम क्या करती है? फूड को और वाटर को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट तक ट्रांसफ़र करती है. So the next is shrubs and herbs. Just like I have told you, plants having different stem na. So on the basis of that, we have divided them into different categories. The first one is shrubs. Plants having woody stems. Plants की क्या होती है? woody stem होती है, और वो thick नहीं है काफ़ी. Which is not very thick. वो क्या है? thick नहीं है. They are known as shrubs. Just like rose and hibiscus plant, they are including in the shrubs. Next one is herbs. The plants having soft and weak stem. herbs की क्या होती है? उनकी stem क्या होती है? soft और weak होती है. They either grow along the ground. वो या तो ground के along grow करते हैं. Either they need support to stay upright. या तो उन्हें क्या चाहिए होता है? सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है ताकि वो सीधे ग्रो कर सके. जस्ट लाइक आर कोरिएंडर एंड मिंट, दे आर हैविंग वेरी वीक स्टेम ना. सो दे कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ हर्ब्स. एंड रोज एंड हिबिस्कस, दे आर हैविंग वुडी स्टेम दैट इज़ नॉट वेरी थिक. वो ज़्यादा मोटी नहीं है. सो दे कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ shrubs. So the next is climbers and creepers. The climbers plants, they are having weak stem. So that's why they need support to grow upright, just like money plant. Money plant is having green, weak and soft stem. It cannot grow without support, so it needs support to grow upright. That's why it comes under the category of climbers. Next one is creepers. They creep along the ground. They too are having weak stem. उनकी भी stem क्या है, weak है. That's why they need support to grow along the ground. उन्हें ग्राउंड के अलॉन्ग भी ग्रो करने के लिए क्या चाहिए होती है, सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है. जस्ट लाइक आ वाटरमेलन एंड pumpkin, they comes under the category of creepers. So the next is functions of stem. What do the stem do? The main function of stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. The function क्या है stem का, वो plants को क्या रखती हैं, upright रखती हैं और store the food also. Stem also carry water to the leaves. Stem क्या करती है, water carry करती है to the leaves. The water taken in by the roots travel through the stem to the leaves. जो वाटर स्टेम रूट्स से जो उन्होंने कैरी किया है वो कहाँ तक ट्रांसफ़र करती हैं, लीव्स तक. एंड सिमिलरली जो स्टेम है वो क्या कैरी करती है, फूड कैरी करती है बाय दैट इज़ प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द leaves to the different parts of the plant. And in some plants just like sugar cane, the extra food is stored in the form of stored in stem. जो extra food है sugar cane में that is stored in stem. And the plants like ginger and potato, the stem grows below the ground. उनकी stem कहाँ grow करती है, below the ground and stores extra food. उनकी stem भी क्या करती है, grow तो below the ground करती है पर क्या store करती है, extra food store करती है. That's why we eat. इसी वजह से हम क्या करते हैं, eat करते हैं. क्या eat करते हैं, stem eat करते हैं. किसकी, शुगर केन की, पोटैटो की एंड जिंजर की. Why? Because it carries or it stores food in their stem. So the next is leaf. The leaf is the most important part of the shoot. Why? Because it prepares food for the plant and most of the plants having green leaves. This, look here in this picture, the flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. क्या बोलते हैं, ये flat और broad part है, that is called leaf blade or lamina. In the middle of the leaf, ये जो leaf के middle से एक line जा रही है ना सीधी, that is known as main vein. In the middle of the leaf there is a main vein and from main vein there are so many growing side veins. A number of side veins branches out from the main leaf. काफ़ी सारी branches जो है वो कहाँ से निकल रही हैं, main vein से निकल रही हैं. And these veins carries water to the leaf. जो ये veins हैं ये क्या carry करती हैं, water to the leaf. और जो ये नीचे stalk लिखा हुआ है, that is a leaf is attached to the branches by a stalk. जो ये leaf है branch से कैसे attach होती है, that is by a stalk. So this was all about our chapter part 2 here. The rest of the things, the leaf, the function of leaves, we will discuss in the next video. Till then, take care and do the given assignment.